morning. Hi, this is Carrie Fletcher. I'm going to attempt to show you how to schedule or host a Zoom meeting. So before you can even get to the step I'm on, you'll need to go to zoom.us and set yourself up a free account with them. And then I'm signed in using my Google. And so there's a couple different ways to do it. I think this is like in real time if you want to do it right now. But you can also schedule a meeting, which is what I'm thinking we might need to do in this situation. So it gives you all these choices on what times you want to use. So you can just put in your date, your time. And then down here, you can either have them generate a meeting ID for you, or you can use your own meeting code. And then for security, you can have a passcode so that only people that have this link or this passcode can join. That might be important if you don't want other people accidentally stumbling into your meeting. Let's see. So I'm just going to go ahead and also if you want a waiting room, you can click for this. If you don't want a waiting room, you can click it off. Okay. Here's the part that you want to make sure that your people get, the people you're inviting to your meeting, your invite link. You can click on copy invitation and it's going to copy to your clipboard, and you can send it out to the people that you want to attend the meeting. And Mr. Swafford wanted me to make sure that only put this in like maybe an email that you want to send to people that you want to attend to the meeting. Don't put it on Facebook or any other social media, or you might have Zoom bombers. That was a lot of the issue before. So then you would just push start, and at the time that your meeting happened, your people would click on their links and their emails, and they should be able to meet with you. Hope that helps. Thank you so much.